Welcome back. You don't have to head to the ocean to do a little deep sea diving. Today, Chemical Kim is here to show us how to make Cartesian divers. Now, this is a fun project, and I think it's a great one to do with the kids.
Well, and this time of year, too, because what better time when it's -8 below to go swimming?
Yes, right. Okay,
so
good.
we're going to do a little diving this morning. This Cartesian diver activity involves a combination between density and the relationship of pressure to volume of a gas.
Okay.
So what we're going to try and do here is get these little apparatuses, which are these disposable pipettes, but you can use an eyedropper if you wanted to, and get them to be neutral buoyant without putting them in the bottle first.
So what does that mean, neutral buoyant?
That basically means the density of the fluid, which will be our water, and our container will be about the same. So it will just float right at the top of our water.
Okay, good. Okay.
So what you're going to do when we set this in water, just kind of is
bobs
actually
up and down.
Positively buoyant. Okay, so we want to add a little bit of water to this. So you're going to squeeze that. And if you notice,
What'd you put in your water too, Kim? It's not necessary. It's just to give us something to look at,
A little bit of energy.
Right?
You know, it's been so cold. I wanted to add a little bit of energy today. So I actually had a little fluorescene there.
Oh,
you know? So if you have
okay.
a little fluorescene laying around there, Catherine, just add it to your water.
Have I got enough in there or you want more?
What you're going to do is your tester tank. So let it set into your tank.
Oh, okay.
And if it's slightly, excellent. So if it slightly sinks like that, you're good to go. So you're going to open up your bottle.
Yeah.
And let's get your energy going here.
Okay.
And set that right there. And maybe you don't have that fluorescene.
Yes.
But you might have some of this, which is laundry detergent.
Oh, perfect.
So take your diver.
Yeah.
And I'll take my diver.
Okay.
And we're going to put them into our tank, our little diving tank.
Yep.
And you
I
want
like
to
this.
fill it completely with water. Okay. And you can use our little fluorescene water if you want. I want to just completely fill yours right to the top, so that the only gas that's in there is the little amount of gas inside your diver, because this is where the gas law is going to take place.
Okay.
You're going to put your top on as tight as you can. Okay. And then give your bottle a squeeze and let him dive. And then bring him back up and see how he rises. And again, the principle being that if you increase the pressure on the gas, the volume of that gas is going to decrease. What will make up that space will be the water, and so that makes it more dense and it falls to the bottom. So it's the same principle behind submarines. It's really quite fascinating. So let's have some fun, Catherine. Okay. So I already made some neutral buoyant divers. Okay. And would you like to have a little fluorescene, or maybe if you don't have some fluorescene laying around, maybe you have a highlighter, right?
Okay, yeah.
So just take a highlighter, cut open the highlighter with parent supervision, and then break this open slightly, and then just drop it into your bottle.
Oh, I love destroying household. That's okay, in the name of science.
Again, it enhances your science, right?
Yep.
And then let's take I'll give you the squid. Okay.
Ooh, you've made it into a squid. That's so cute.
Yeah, exactly. Using some things from the camping department, right? If you want to do a little bit of fishing, fill it completely to the top.
Oh, that's right. You got me.
And then we want to make sure that the only gas is what is inside your squid that gets compressed.
Okay.
And gases can compress, so that's what's so fascinating. And it's a wonderful way for kids to really see that principle of gases.
Squid down.
Squid down. And my diver down.
You've got a hole in your lid and it's squirting me.
Well, that's to enhance the effect there, Catherine.
I just love this.
And then you can actually play around with maybe sealing it into a glass container. Again, adult supervision. And I actually could use something that will give a good seal to it, like a surgical glove.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got about 10 seconds.
Exactly. And then trapping it in there, and then letting the divers go down.
Oh, how fun!
Is that not so fun? And you can, of course, add different amounts of gases and get them to rise and fall and have lots of fun diving this cold winter day.
If you want to do a little deep sea diving, you can find more information on Kim's experiments at chemicalkim.com. We have a link on our website. Go to the Take 5 homepage.